I broke a string. Dang. There's a message in there. Maybe I need enough banjo. You know, I have enough banjos where I can go grab another banjo and not have to change the banjo string. And I think that's exactly what we're going to do. I pulled this one out of the barn back there, but I knew that the banjo in that case should be a good one, and it is. This is actually my first quality banjo that I ever bought right here. I have an other banjo that was a cheap piece of junk, quite literally. $15 banjo, that first one. But this one was worth a lot. I think I might have given 160 bucks for this, which back in the day, that would have been 40 years ago, or 50. 40, 50, how old am I? Yeah, it was a ways back there. 160 bucks. Actually, what I did was I swapped a pistol for this one, but he's asking 160 bucks for it. But anyway, I'm sitting here with a broken string on my banjo, so I'm going to walk back here and get another one, and we'll bring it up here and we'll go from there. I was thinking today is rainy and it's not much of a day for being outside, and I hadn't played a lot lately. I was listening to Rihanna Gibbons. If you haven't discovered Rihanna Gibbons yet and you're interested in banjo, you need to go look her up and listen to some of her music. But I was listening to some of her music and I thought, man, I got to get out of the house and do something. So I thought I'd come down here to the garage, and you see how far I got with that. So I'll get another banjo. We'll try some more. Thank y'all for hanging out with me a little bit.